দেখছেন সিনে ইন্ডিয়া, বাংলার খবর, বাঙালির খবর।
In the month of October, China was still in an all-out war on coronavirus, imposing rigid restrictions despite its adverse impact on the country's economy. 2 months down the line, the government has made an absolute turnaround on its zero-COVID policy, and the aftermath has been overburdened hospitals and crematoriums, forecast of millions of people being infected with the coronavirus and millions succumbing to the infections too. The dire warning once again grips China 3 years after the virus breakout was first reported in China. Earlier, an epidemiologist warned of thermonuclear bad situation in China as infections grows rapidly across the country. Meanwhile, China has continued to downplay the worsening crisis, reporting 11 officials' deaths due to the virus since mid-November, despite lodging more than 10,000 daily infections since then. But the workers at crematorium and the videos showing overburdened hospitals in China tells a different tale. Several videos have been shared on social media which claims that the hospitals in China are being overwhelmed due to rising infection cases. Workers at mortuaries also have to put in extra shifts to handle the surge in COVID deaths, but there have been no official confirmations of the same. In the current wave of coronavirus in China may likely infect over 60% of the country's population the next 90 days, with death toll likely to climb to millions too. The impact would not be limited to China, and surge in COVID cases may trigger a total shutdown and severely impact global trade also. According to new projections from the US-based Institute of Health Metrics and Evaluation, China could face an explosion of COVID-19 cases and witness over 1 million deaths through 2023. To add to the worry, the virus seems to be spreading faster in China than it's spread elsewhere. China currently has a few highly transmissible variants of Omicron spreading across the country, including one called BF.7. Scientists at China National Health Commission have estimated that the R number, which tells you an average how many people one sick person infects for the current variant, is 16, as per a report by NPR. The present R number of China is higher than all the previous waves of the pandemic globally. Bureau Report, Cine India News.
আপনারা দেখছেন সিনে ইন্ডিয়া, বাংলার খবর, বাঙালির খবর।